In this video, I will show you how to get a Deepseek API key. So you can get it for free, but for using it, you will need to pay, and I'll also show you how that works and how much it costs. So what you just want to do is go to deepseek.com, so not chat.deepseek.com, but just the normal deepseek.com website. And from there, click API platform in the top right. Then you will need to create an account if you don't have one yet, and that will take you right here. Now here in the left menu, you can go to API keys, and then you can click create new API key. Then you can just go and give it a name. And then after clicking on create new API key, you will then get your unique API key, which you can use wherever you need it. But as I mentioned, getting it is free, but using it is not. So you can see right here in top up, you can really easily top up your balance with a debit or credit card or PayPal. You can just do a custom amount, however much you want to do. And if you're wondering how far, for example, $5 gets you, you can see right here how much everything costs. So you have Deepseek Chat as well as Deepseek Reasoner. So it depends on which one you need. But then here you can see how much the tokens will actually cost. So it even depends on the time that you are using it in. But generally the best way to really find out how much you can actually get with Deepseek for your money is by just adding a little bit of money and then start using your API key, and you can see how long that will last you. So now you know how to get your Deepseek API key. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.